Sometimes the hardest part of a job isn't the wiring, it's getting the wire there in the first place. And this attic? Yeah, it wasn't designed for people. Not even people with remarkably svelte builds. I need to get a spotlight fed across a good stretch of attic, but there's no chance I'm crawling into this section. Tight gable, near the roofline, and zero room to maneuver. So instead, I'm using Klein fish sticks. Compared to standard fish tape, these have more stiffness, which makes a huge difference when you're trying to span open attic space without sagging or folding. Here's the move that makes this work. I loop a bunch of pull string together and tape it onto the head of the fish sticks. That creates a big, soft bundle, something I can actually hook from the other side. Once that's slung across, I head up to the main house attic. The access point here is pretty blocked with ductwork, and I'm not a big fan of crawling through blown-in insulation unless I absolutely have to. But if you look closely, you can just see those loops in the distance. Once I snag the head of the fish sticks, I pull it over to me, and now I've got my pull string across the attic without crawling an inch. Now it's time to tie on the wire. Quick, simple, and strong. Loop the string over twice. Take the front loop and swing it to the back, basically switching places. That creates a clove hitch style wrap. Slide it onto the Romex, add 1 or 2 half hitches toward the head, tape it up, and you've got a pulling head that'll handle all the force you should ever be putting on a cable like this. From there, I head back outside, pull the cable over, install a 4-inch round bell box, and we're good to go. Once we pick final locations, I'll install a few more of these. Now the homeowner can check for any larger wildlife before letting the dogs out at night. Clean pull, no crawling, no insulation bath. If you like real-world electrical tricks, installs, and problem solving, hit subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.